complex number. We just go straight to the addition and subtractions of a complex number. The first example said add 2 plus 3i and 4 plus 5i. Solution: we have 2 plus 3i plus 4 plus 5i. The 2 stand in a row, while also 4 is under the row. The 3 and 5, they are imaginary because complex number comprises of both real and imaginary number components. Therefore, if you are to add this, you just say that 2 plus 4 plus 3i plus 5i is equal to 6 plus 8i. That is the answer for that. Let's also solve another example which says that add 2 minus 3i and minus 5 plus 7i. If you are to add this, according to what I said the other time, that the complex number comprises of two components, the real and imaginary. You are to add the real together, and you also add the imaginary together. Therefore, you just say 2 plus minus 5 minus 3i plus 7i. So 2 plus minus 5 will give us minus 3, which will give us minus 3 plus 4i. If you're able to study it very well, you see that minus 3i plus 7i will give you plus 4i. That is the answer for that. We also go to the subtraction part. Subtraction part of it. Let's have first example on this. Examples. The first question said subtract minus 7 plus 3i from 8 minus 9i. So automatically it will give you like this, that 8 minus 9i minus bracket open minus 7 plus 3i, which will be 8 minus 9i plus 7 minus 3i. So according to what I've said, you add the two together. The real will be added to real and the imaginary will be added to imaginary, which is 8 plus 7 minus 9i minus 3i, which will give us 15 minus 12i. That is answered for the example. For the first example we're able to solve. Let's solve another one example to join. Let's say under the subtraction, let's say example 2. Example 2, let's solve another question. It said subtract minus 9 plus I from 5i. So if you are to do this, recall that it is from 5i, so it will be 5i minus bracket open minus 9 plus I. You expand 5i, minus and minus will give you plus minus I. So according to what I've said the earlier on, you just say that 5i minus I plus 9 can be 9 plus 4i. So this is just a literary examples that you can able to solve under the addition and subtractions of a complex number, because a complex number comprises of two components, the real and imaginary. The real we had with the real, and the imaginary we had with the imaginary. Thanks for this class to just explain a little meanings about the complex number of addition and subtraction. Bye.